Hello friends, it has been 3 months since I got my hair cut and I am 3 weeks into the social distancing, lockdown, quarantine, whatever we're calling this. And I've been wearing turbans, all sorts of stuff, but in today's video, I am actually going to get a tutorial by Jane Matthews on how to cut my own bangs, and I'm going to try to take you a little bit through that and my experience of doing it. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom! But first, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I absolutely love you. Thank you so much. If you are new to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. It's just the button here. I'm trying to grow the channel and it will mean the world to me. We're on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. Okay, so the world kind of turned upside down about 3 weeks ago, or a little bit longer now, but for me, that means that I have been social distancing, staying at home for about 3 weeks now, and we've already got notice that it's going to be probably a month or even longer in addition to what we've already been doing. So I know I'm not going to get my hair cut. Now, I have been following Jane Matthews on Instagram for about a year now. She is the shag queen. There was recently this super cool article on her in the New York Times, and I just love this woman. She seems to me almost like a kindred spirit. I like everything about her. How talented she is with hair, but just what she stands for and her personality and the things she's into. And I really, really love following her on Instagram. I was supposed to get my hair cut by Jane when she was in San Diego a little bit before everything started, but that didn't work out. So I'm going to do it with her when she's in LA in several months, however long it takes us to get out of this. But I do have a haircut that I'm going to be doing with her, a full makeover, and I'm super excited about that. But in the meantime, what Jane's been doing during this shutdown quarantine time is she is doing one-on-one bang trimming tutorials with people. So I thought I would give that a try. Now, to be perfectly honest, I'm a little bit afraid. I have never tried anything like this, but I've seen some of the ones that she's posted of just regular people that she's talked through. She seems like she's a great teacher. She's going to help figure out how to frame my face, and it'll be a skill that if I can perfect this, or if I can do it in between haircuts, because I don't plan on getting my hair cut probably every 6 months or something. So every 3 months in between, maybe I can just give myself a little bang trim here. I'm learning something that I hope I'll be able to use for the rest of my life during this time when we're shut down. I was instructed to purchase this kind of a razor. She told us exactly where to get them. So I needed a razor and a comb and just a water bottle. And then she's going to go ahead and FaceTime me. We're going to do a FaceTime thing for an hour and do that. I'm hoping to talk to her a little bit about some of the products that I use, many of which she recommends, and sort of consult and see what to kind of do with my hair. But I'm super excited. I love this woman. And I will let you know how this goes. I'll maybe show you a couple clips of screenshots in between, but then I'll come back and talk to you about it later. So wish me luck. Here you go. What do you think? That was so fun. Oh my gosh. It was actually quite empowering and really cool to learn something new, especially, as I get a little bit more mature. I want to continue to just be a lifelong learner, and learning how to razor do my hair. That was so cool. Of course, Jane is an amazing teacher. I don't know how she does this. It must be exhausting, but she somehow figured out a way to do it, like, of course she would. And I think it turned out really good. I'm super happy with it. I think it's gonna last me through the rest of the quarantine until I can actually go and get a proper cut from her. So for the rest of you that are out there like me, who I know there are a lot of us who have girl crushes on Jane, she is just as amazing when you get to meet her. Now, I met her virtually, but just as real, just as authentic, just as cool. And her spirit, I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Jane, for doing this. And again, I look forward to meeting you in person and being able to show people my full makeover when this whole situation is behind us. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.